Здравствуйте! Привет! Today we are going to talk about the time of a day. We will start with two questions. Что? Когда? What and when? Look, pay attention that it's spelled что, but the right pronunciation of it is что. What? What is it now? What time of a day is it now? Что сейчас? Сейчас утро. Now it's morning. Что сейчас? Сейчас день. День masculine. Afternoon. Что сейчас? Сейчас вечер. Вечер is the evening. And the last one, ночь, night. Ночь is also with a soft sign, but it's feminine. So remember, each time when it's feminine or masculine, with the soft sign words, we need to remember every time. Итак, что? Утро, день, вечер, ночь. But when we need to talk about when, I mean in the afternoon, in the morning, in the evening, когда, when, then we change a bit these words and it comes out like утром. Когда? Утром. In the morning. Днем. In the afternoon. I'm not putting accent here because you should remember that every time we have yo letter, the accent goes to this letter. Вечером. In the evening. And ночью. It's completely different form from yom, om. Ночью. Just remember it. At night. And an expression. С утра до вечера. From morning till night. With this expression, you should remember с and до, which means when we speak about time, about some period of time, we should say с and до. We may say по утрам, по вечерам. Now you can make a few sentences with this word. Сейчас утро, now it's morning. Сейчас день, now it's afternoon. Сейчас вечер и так далее, and so on. Expression. Еще не вечер. It's not an evening still, which means that it's early to come to conclusions. It's not the high time. We should wait. That's what it means. Еще не вечер. We may also say по утрам, which will mean in the mornings, regularly. По вечерам, in the evenings. Днем remains like this, in the afternoon. По ночам, at nights, regularly. Also, I would like you to remember the word сейчас. We spell it сейчас, which actually means the etymology of this word is like this hour. But we pronounce it сейчас, which means now. Сейчас. Write down everything, please, with the translations. I'm not giving you the translations, but you should write them down. It will be easier for you to remember because you do work. If you keep working with me, writing down things and then repeating and learning them by heart, it will make it much easier for you. So for adjectives, knowing the words утро, вечер, день и так далее, and so on. Утренний, morning. Утренний сон, like the morning sleep. Утренняя звезда, morning star. Pay attention, this is masculine, the ending is e, here it's ya. The endings for soft stem, it's soft stem, you can feel it. Утренний, утренняя n is soft. Утренняя звезда, morning star. Утреннее солнце. Солнце is sun, so the morning sun. Le is mispronounced, just солнце, but we spell it with less. Russian spelling is quite difficult, so each time you have new words, you have to remember how to spell them. Вечерний, the same principle. Evening, вечерний сон, вечерняя звезда, etc., etc. The same endings as the stem is also soft. Дневной. like in the daytime, also an adjective. Дневной, it's a hard stem. Feminine ending will be дневная, ая, not яя. Neuter, дневное, дневное солнце, да? Дневные, here it will be a plural. For this soft stem, plural ending will be ие, and for the hardest stem, it will be ые. Дневные проблемы. Ночной, also like дневной, nighttime. Ночной сон, ночная звезда и так далее. We may also use the word каждый, which means every. Каждый день, it's also the masculine form because день is masculine. Каждый день, every day, every afternoon. Каждый вечер, every evening. Каждое утро, neuter ending. Every morning, because morning is neuter. And каждую ночь. Look here, it's not the nominative case, that's why it has this ending. No questions about it now. Just remember the way it is. Later, we'll talk about it. Just remember, каждую ночь. Ночь is feminine, and all these words are in the accusative case. And feminine accusative gets ending OU here. Not unnecessary information for you now. Just remember the way I gave you all these expressions, all these words. And thank you very much for your attention. Спасибо за внимание.